arrive in style with this Nissan 2015 Frontier Pro-4X. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are B93, PRO-4X graphics package, X1, PRO-4X luxury package included, roof rack with crossbars, power tilt and slide moonroof, 4-way heated power passenger seat, 8-way heated power driver seat, rear seat fold down center armrest, dual power heated outside mirrors, L92, floor mats, graphite white stitching, leather appointed seat trim included, PRO-4X logo, night armor, graphite white stitching, premium cloth seat trim, 4-wheel drive, locking limited slip differential and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.